What's up everybody? My name is Iori. Welcome back to my channel. So last time you guys saw the Miata, it wasn't running and we were figuring out what was wrong with it. And we almost wrecked it, put it on the trailer. But now it's finally home. We're gonna do some investigating today and hopefully get this thing running. If not, I have to go back to my friend at Moss Miata, see what else they got. So I have a fuel, but my sparks, not so much. So I replaced the coil pack and it helped a little bit. So I'm gonna try something else today. Alright, so I pulled the cast off, but I couldn't get it back on. I know all of you guys can put it back on with your eyes closed at night, but I cannot. So I am going to also replace my valve cover gasket, which I got from Moss Miata. Huge shout out to them. So have a seat and enjoy. Watch me struggle. So you guys probably noticed, but number 2 plug wire was already out. That's because the boot broke, as you can see like this. So I had to use a dental pick to get it out, and it was really hard. So I was trying to pull this off and I yanked it really hard and I actually completely broke the PCB. I have to go back to O'Reilly's. O'Reilly's. What a little parts. Ouch. Okay. Pew. So I got the valve cover off and I got brand new gaskets, and it's gonna make easy for me to put the cast back on. But first I gotta get new PCB, so I'll be right back. I just got back from O'Reilly's and I picked it up. PCB. I picked it up PCB. It cost $6 total. Not bad. I ended up getting PCV for 2005 Mazda Speed because the upgraded Flying Miata ones was like 30 bucks ish. And in the description it says it's like more for the replacement for the 2005. Not really much of an upgrade, so I figured why not just get the stock 2005 and save 30 bucks. Some oil. We got oil. Oops. We got oil. Perfect. Noise, 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 noise. Shit. Alright, as you can see, it's getting dark and it took a long time. It's because I decided to fix the exhaust leak and I replaced the gasket, and this is the old one. It's cooked. It's pretty bad. And I ended up losing the bolt, so I have to go back to O'Reilly's to get a new bolt. Right, before we do that, we're gonna get this thing all buttoned up first. Okay, everything is tightened and where it should be, so I'm gonna try to start it now. Did you see? The Miata's running. I got it started. I'm very excited. It only took 2 O'Reilly trips and it's pretty rough right now, but that's because I have to set the ignition timing, but I don't have the tools to do it. So I will have help in the morning and I'm gonna get it ready and I'm gonna have some videos. I'm gonna have some videos. Alright, there will be some tire shredding videos soon. There will be some road racing soon. There will be some dig racing soon. And there will be some grading shifting. So like, subscribe, and comment down below. And don't forget to don't let anyone tell you you can't build your dream. Okay. I'm very hyper right now, so I'm gonna end this video now. Mata ne!